Just one time I heard that all CEOs read 60 books a year on average. So I was like, all right, that's what I'm going for. But anyways, it is difficult. I did not hit that goal within my first year. I think I was around 30. So I ended up taking a speed reading course, paid a lot of money for it. It was at UCF, and I really didn't get too much out of it. Honestly, I didn't use any of the techniques, and I didn't find it worth it. Recently, about a month ago, I just interviewed this guy, Jordan Harry, who has speed reading courses online, and he wanted me to check his out and just try it out again. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be trying it out, and I'm going to kind of record the process so you guys can see, those of you who have who like to read or need to read for school, etc., to see if it's something worth it for you, to see if it's beneficial and it actually works. So I'll be like the little guinea pig if you've ever thought about it before. I just tested my speed and my comprehension for day one before I start this consistently and stick with it. So I'm at 216 words per minute, and comprehension is at 83%. So according to this course, it is supposed to improve as follows, right? So after 1 week of training, the average words per minute is 200, goes to 400, so doubles. Comprehension is supposed to even go up, and just takes less time. And you're supposed to see that increasing. So comprehension should be staying the same. All right, and there we have it. So I just finished a 3-week challenge. So I stayed at 450 words this week, and comprehension went down a little bit, but that's probably because I haven't slept at all last night. So still pretty good considering that. But either way, if any of you are interested in improving your speed reading, I'll put the link down below to the program, and it's pretty affordable. So check it out. It's not like the usual $250 that you'd pay for a speed reading class.